The we are seeing about the difference between retrieve records from a table and a retrieve a record. Okay, so you can guess both the functionalities on their name itself, like retrieve records from a table and retrieve a table, or like sorry, retrieve a record. Okay, so any guess? So any guess? Any guess? Any guess? Yeah, you are right that the main difference between retrieve records from a table and retrieve a record in API is um, yeah, the first difference is in retrieve records from a table, you can retrieve one or more than a number of records details from ServiceNow table. Yeah, but in retrieve a record, you can retrieve only one record details from ServiceNow table. So this is the first difference. So and the another difference coming to next difference. Yeah. So in retrieve records from table, you can retrieve the records by using table queries from ServiceNow table. So for example, we have taken active is equal to true, right? So state is not 2 and state is not prior is equal to 1, and you can see the below snap which we have taken table name and sysparam query, so which we used. But in retrieve a record, you can retrieve a record details from ServiceNow table by using sysID only. So you are getting only one record, right? So by using sysID, we are getting only one record in retrieve a record. Yeah, and retrieve a record. So let's discuss now how it works with an practical example. Okay, so let's see now. So in PDI, we are opening REST API Explorer. Okay, Explorer. So we are opening REST API Explorer. In REST API Explorer, okay, okay, let's load. It's loading. Yeah, in REST API Explorer, so we are going to see about difference between retrieve records from a table and retrieve a record, right? So in table API, we are going to see, yeah, retrieve records from a table, and this is the syntax of HTTP method link. Yeah. So in retrieve records from a table, we will take incident table as example, and let's open one incident table. Yeah. Let's open the incident table. So here we will filter like priority is equal to critical. So we are copying that query and putting here. If yeah, sys param query we are using in yeah, we are taking 10 limits, right? We said retrieve from here you can more than one record, right? So we have taken 10. So let's see how we are going to retrieve 10 records. Okay, in request headers, you can see request format as application, which is JSON, and response format is also we have selected application JSON, and in authorization we have selected send as me. Yeah, so these are the settings which we have done for request headers, and click on send. If you scroll down, you can we got the HTTP method URL, right? So you can see the status also 200, okay, which is successfully done. If you scroll down, you can see X total count is 27. That means in incident table, you can see the total number which is under the query is 27. So that's the count here it's showing. In okay, in response body, let's copy the JSON. Yeah, let's copy full JSON code. Yeah, Okay, let's copy this and go to JSON editor. Okay, so let's see how many records we have. Yeah, we have 10 records. Okay, so you can see we have retrieved 10 records by using retrieve records from the table. Yeah, so we have get 10 records, and the reason is we have put the limit as 10, right? So this is the reason. So the limit which we have put 10, but in incident table we have 27. So the limit is 10. So that's the reason we got only 10 from incident table to REST API Explorer. Okay, so let's see how we can use in Postman tool. Postman tool. Okay, first let's open new one and let's copy that query HTTPS method. Sorry, copy the link. Yeah, copy the link of HTTP method which we got and put here. So if you put that and yeah, put the name as get, and because here we have selected get, right? So this is the get method. So here if you see that by using the query, the query params as automatically created. So you can see the priority is 1 and limit as 10. By using the link, those conditions has fetched in Postman tool. So here we can change the limit also here. Like for example, I am changing the value from 10 to 30. Okay, so let's see what will happen now. So in going to the authorization and putting the basic auth. Okay, and if we click send, you will get the JSON query below. So let's copy the query. Let's copy the JSON code and go to the JSON editor. So let's see how many records have been retrieved. So if you see that, okay, it's not yet. Okay, okay. Yeah, we got 27 records. Means we have selected a limit as 30, right? But in incident table, which is in ServiceNow, we have 27 tables. So based on that condition, yeah, we have selected 30 and we got 27. The reason is in incident table, we have 27 records, which is satisfying the query, like priority is 1. Okay, so we got overall 27. So let's take 20 records. So sorry, 20 limits. Okay, we are setting the limit as 20, and let's try how many we got. In incident table we have 27, and here we have changed the value to 20. Let's click on send and let's see. So we got JSON code. Let's copy the code. Go to JSON editor. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have 20 records which we have retrieved. Means in incident table we have 27, right? And we have put the limit as 20. Like we have changed the limit as 20 in Postman tool. So that's the reason we got 20 records from ServiceNow table to Postman tool. See, you can see. Okay, so this is the retrieve records. So let's see for retrieve a record. So this is the syntax of the link, HTTP link. So here in path parameters under table name, let's select incident table, and in sysid you take one you can take one random record, in from incident table. Let's take one random. Okay, 01. So okay, let's take another one. Let's take this record. Okay, which is 0034. Let's copy that sysid and let's paste in REST API Explorer. Okay, and now we have pasted a sysid, means which we are retrieving a single record. We can't do multiple retrieve here. We can do only single retrieve. Yeah. If we go below the request headers, in request format, we have selected application JSON and the response format as application JSON and authorization as send as me. Yeah. So in this retrieve a record, we can get only one record and we can't retrieve multiple records. So this is the difference here, main difference. So this is the link which we got HTTP method and the status is 200. Okay, which means it's successfully done. So if we scroll down in response body, let's take the JSON code. Okay, let's copy the whole JSON code which we got and go to the JSON formatter. Okay, let's copy this and let's see how many records has been created. Yeah, you can see only one record has been retrieved from ServiceNow table to REST API Explorer. I mean incident table. So which we can see right 0034 which we have selected here and uh, you can see the sysid also which we have selected. Let's cross check once. Go to scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the sysid. So where is the sysid? Where is the okay, let's scroll up. Okay, I can't see the sysid here. Let's scroll down. We can see slowly. So let's see, little scroll. Yeah, here is the sysid. You can see the sysid is both are same. Let's compare. Um, so we have starting 470. Let's go to the REST API Explorer, which we have inputted here. Yeah, both are same and ends with 933, which starts with 470. So let's cross check. Yeah, both are same. So that means we can retrieve only a single record and we can't retrieve multiple records by using a retrieve a record. Okay. So if we go there and okay, okay, we will see by using Postman tool. Okay, we will see how we can retrieve yes record by using Postman tool. Let's copy the HTTP method and open the Postman tool. So here paste the link and let's cross check whether it's get or not. It's get method only because the method is get. Okay, so here let's put the authentication as basic auth and provide. Let's click on send. After clicking the send, you will get the JSON code down. Okay, in body you will get the JSON code which is 200. Okay, means it's successfully done. So let's copy the code of JSON and go to the JSON formatter. Okay, copy this and go to JSON formatter. Let's paste this and see how many records has been created. So see, only one record has been retrieved. Sorry, it's not created, it's retrieved. So only one record has been retrieved, and you can see, right? You can cross check both incident number and sysids. So if you go to the incident number, so it is 0034 which ends, and here you can see 0034. And if you compare the sysid, So where is that? It's ID. You can see the which starts with 470 and ends with 933. So if you go there, you can see in, sorry, you can see here. So both are same. Yeah. Yeah, this is the difference between these two. Yeah, thanks.